and 12.
And the girls will sing on the good ship Lollipop.
On the good ship, Lollipop, it's a sweet trip to the candy shop where bonbons swing on the sunny beach of Peppermint Bay. Lemonade stands everywhere, Cracker Jack and fill the air, and there you are, happy landing on a chocolate bar.
That was great!
I can do it! Roll the slide! Let's go Bowie! Swimming by the water. Can brush. My name is Sam. My brother is Michael. I'm 4. Michael's 2.
Hey kids, today we're gonna learn how to brush our teeth, and it's real easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. See? I knew you could do it. You want to try that one more time with us? All right, get ready. Here we go. Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wonderful. I knew you could do it. Now, just to make sure we're good and clean, let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Back to back, up and down. Back to back, side to side, again. Oh, wow! just amazing. Now, don't forget to rinse.
Awesome.
Birthday party. Making pizza.
Just a second. Ah! Here you go, here you go. Okay.
Movie time. Open present. Thank you for coming. My name is Aram. I'm 4 years old. I like basketball. Dribbling the ball. Carnival ride. Home video from Hawaii. Daddy. I'm 3. I'm Reed. I'm 4. I'm Jenny. I'm 3.
Hi, I'm Jason. And we're gonna make French toast.
Eggs. Milk. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. Vanilla. Butter.
Okay, let's crack some eggs. Reese, can you crack an egg for me?
Yeah.
All right. Wow. All right. Good job.
My turn.
Okay, let's beat the eggs. Can you beat the egg? Yeah. Akari, can you put the milk in the egg?
Yeah.
All right. Can you put the cinnamon in? All right. And then Jenny, can you put the vanilla? And let's mix again. And let's put the brown sugar in. Reese, can you put in a couple scoops? 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's put the bread in the batter. Okay, Reese, can you put the butter in the frying pan? The butter is melting. So put it in with 2 hands. Put it in. Can you do that? 2 hands.
My turn.
Alright. Whoa! Okay, let's flip the French toast, okay? Let's flip it.
Okay.
So this is the one that Reese put in, right? Whose is this one?
G.
Whose is this one?
Daddy.
Whose is this one?
Jenny.
And this is mine. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy.